11 reasons to read DCR this October. First, a profile's contribution on mountaineering. Second, an international meeting summary of the 2019 Advances in IBD meeting. 3, a resident's corner and commentary about anal squamous cell carcinoma. 4, a didactic video this month on laparoscopic fecal diversion. You can watch it on our DCR YouTube channel. 5, premiere of the new technology section this month, natural orifice transanal endoscopic rectopexy. 6, high-resolution endoscopy surveillance after anal squamous cell carcinoma with an intriguing editorial. 7, a huge study on segmental resection for splenic flexure cancer. 8, artificial intelligence, clinical decision support in colon cancer. How good is AI? With a great editorial. 9, prophylactic gynecologic surgery in women with Lynch syndrome. What's the best, most cost-effective treatment? 10, outpatient colectomy. How safe is it? And lastly, systematic review of right-sided colonic diverticulitis, and so much more in this month's issue. We hope to see you next month.